Gotta wash my hands now. Touch my face. Why am I so red?
Hello, my name's Laurel.
And I'm Kaytlyn.
And we're gonna make popcorn. Oh, Kaytlyn's gonna tell you why. I was gonna show pictures.
So on our Twitter, as many of you may know, that I was the one who did all the popcorn reviews when we went to all of our away games. So it was suggested that I make my own popcorn and then I rate it. Obviously a 10 out of 10.
And I'm here because I like popcorn and I brought the ring light.
Really good, don't we?
We're gonna wash our hands to get rid of the Rona. So if you need help on how to wash your hands, there's a link in the video description. Or click on our faces. We'll figure that out maybe. Not really.
Wait, I wanna...
Step 1.
Stop!
Wood quest.
Okay. So here are the steps to make Kaytlyn Meseke's homemade popcorn. You can start with step 1.
Step 1. Turn the stovetop onto medium heat. If you don't know where medium is, it's like in between really hot and really cold.
Next, take your vegetable oil and a 1/4 cup measuring cup. You want to fill that sucker up and put it in your pan.
And then you wait for your oil to warm up. You approximately wait 0.5 seconds and put 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels. What are these? Baby what? Popcorn kernels in your oil, like so. And you just do that. Put it back on heat. Cover. And wait. We've heard popping. This is awkward. It popped.
Kaytlyn, what do you do when it pops? You shake it like it's hot!
Don't do that. So
And
it
now-
started to pop.
So now we're gonna shake it like it's hot. That's what you do good for.
She mean pop it like it's Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm gonna do the next step. You're gonna take 1/2 a stick of butter and put it in a microwavable bowl. Not like that, because that doesn't work. We're using this. And you put it in the microwave for 1 minute. 30 seconds. I like to click the add 30-second button. That's how I do it. And you watch it and make sure it doesn't boil over. Because you don't want to clean the microwave.
Never know when it's gonna go. When is it? There you go. Get a knife out.
Up here?
Yep, have a knife.
So when it's done, you're gonna do this apparently. It's done. Kaytlyn's out working strong. Working strong.
I'm scared. I don't make popcorn.
You can jump it. Popcorn! What do we do?
Take a knife.
you?
We're good. It's fine. It's not gonna start a fire. It's not gonna start a fire. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
That stinks though.
You see this one? Stop.
Nothing happened.
So now with your freshly popped popcorn,
And your butter.
slowly pour over. And then you're gonna take the cup and you're gonna smush it in the popcorn. Get the sides of that measuring cup all nicely clean. Kind of stir around your popcorn.
Please don't talk to me as I'm doing this.
Alright. You mix it all up.
And then you take just a little bit of salt. We don't need people being salty.
And you mix it all up.
But I am salty.
And there's Kaytlyn Meseke's popcorn recipe.
And I'm here for fun. Salty and buttery.
So now for the time that you've all been waiting for. My popcorn review. It has a very... Nothing at all. There is no video proof of it. Nothing. Nothing. I don't think it smells that bad. I don't think so either. I think it's fine. So now for the time you've all been waiting for. My popcorn review. First off, the salt amount that Laurel added was very good. It wasn't terribly salty at all. And the 4th cup of butter added the best butter taste that I have had yet this year. So, I'd like to say that the popcorn is truly one of the best. And it's
I helped.
And it's a 10 out of 5 popcorn kernels. So thanks for joining us on Coronication Cooking with Kaytlyn and Laurel. If you have any other ideas, tell us in the comments or tweet us at whscharger. Like and subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram, Twitter. We don't have a Snapchat, but we should get one. That would be a bad idea. No.
We're getting Snapchat.
If you need to email us, we have an email at whscharger@gmail.com. If you have anything you want to read about, we have a website, whscharger.com.
Wow, so creative.
If you really don't know how to contact us, just type in whscharger
You'll
on
find us
anything
literally,
except Snapchat.
Or Facebook.
Or
Wait,
TikTok.
No, we have a Facebook too.
We do have a Facebook.
We have Facebook.
Don't try to find us on TikTok. But you do.
But you can follow me at Meseke.
Or Meseke Hype House.
Shut up, you're just jealous.
Yeah, jelly.
Okay, like and subscribe. Bye.